Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, March 23rd. I'm James Spann. The weather continues to be wet across parts of central Alabama this afternoon. A chance of strong, maybe severe storms late tomorrow and tomorrow evening, and then warm and dry for the latter half of this week. Let's start with the upper air look. This is the flow about 18,000 feet off the ground, where the pressure is 500 millibars. You can see a trough back in the southwest. That'll be rolling through the southern branch of the jet stream, spinning up a surface low north and west of the state tomorrow. Today, a cloudy day for the northern half of the state, South Alabama, partly sunny. That was the radar. That was at 12:40 this afternoon, local time, showing patches of light to moderate rain across parts of central Alabama. That will be diminishing later this evening. Temperatures are mostly in the 60s. The one exception is Demopolis. They've got 74. We'll be well up in the 70s tomorrow, and 80s are coming later this week. Get ready for that. There's the watch warning map, still wintry in the northeast United States. Winter storm warnings in effect there. Winter weather advisories. Otherwise, things are quiet across the country. Here's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. First off, the marginal risk that was in place for Alabama has been dropped. The air is just too stable for severe storms. The main risk of severe storms through tonight across the heartland, parts of Kansas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri. This is the new outlook tomorrow from the SPC. We now have the standard risk, level 2 out of 5, a slight risk as far south as Winfield, Aniana, and Gadsden. A marginal risk down to Moundville, Jemison, and Roanoke, areas in darker green. We'll talk about the specific threats on this in a minute. Then on day 3, which is Wednesday, a marginal risk over eastern North Carolina. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Keep in mind this counts the rain we're having today. Rain amounts between 1 and 2 inches for the north, under a quarter inch for the south. And again, the Gulf Coast looking basically dry with that upper high that has been so persistent over the Gulf of Mexico for weeks. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. The wave that was over the southwest United States is coming out across the Mississippi Valley region, and a surface low is over northeastern Arkansas. Not especially deep. It's over 1,000 millibars, 1,005 millibars, but typically in March, when you see that, south and east of those, you might have strong to severe storms. This is the high-res NAM, valid at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, showing a number of showers and storms in progress across Alabama and Tennessee, the northern half of Alabama. One question, it's the capping inversion that might kind of keep a lid on things across Alabama, probably not as strong over Tennessee. Here are the instability values. They're moderate for late March, not especially high, generally under 1,000 joules per kilogram. This is the SRH, the storm relative helicity, veering of the wind with altitude in relation to storm motion. Pretty high numbers over Tennessee and northeast Alabama. And this is the significant tornado parameter, the STP, and the values are highest over central and east Alabama. So, where that magical combination will set up, if it sets up at all, of buoyancy and instability and shear, we'll just have to see. But certainly we have the chance of a few storms tomorrow evening with hail, strong winds, and there could be an isolated tornado. So keep that in mind. We'll watch things carefully. I would not call this a major threat, but anything like this in March you have to watch. So Wednesday, that wave is on by. We're dry. The sky partly sunny. Wednesday's high should be in the middle 70s. Thursday, we warm it up, low to mid 80s. Lots of sunshine. Same thing Friday. Mid 80s are likely. So if you're looking for warm, dry, summer-like weather, there you go. These are the anomalies on Friday. Temperature anomalies. You can see pretty warm for the southeast United States, but colder than average back in the west. Now, Saturday as the weekend begins, the new GFS depicting a surface low that is southeast of St. Louis with a band of showers and maybe some thunder, and that rolls in here Saturday night. This is faster than the run we showed you this morning that suggested the main chance of rain would be on Sunday. So if this verifies, the day Saturday would be dry. We'd have a chance of showers and storms Saturday night, and then Sunday it's on by. and the sky becomes partly sunny. The weather would be cooler if this verifies. Based on those thickness values, highs would drop back to about 70. So I understand the timing will probably change again, but at least this run suggesting the best chance of rain over the weekend, Saturday night. There might be a strong storm with that. We'll see. Once we get closer to the weekend, we can look at the parameters more carefully. And this is a week from today, Monday the 30th, troughing onto the east, and we are dry and mild with low 70s. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, April 2nd. Got a trough here across the Gulf, and if that's right, there's could be some rain south of here, but a decent chunk of the state would be dry. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble over the next 15 days. The mean between 3 and 4 inches. Temperatures, look at those 80s Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then after that, we kind of revert back to typical numbers for this time of the year with highs in the 70s through much of next week. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.